The Eye of Horus is one of the most recognizable symbols from ancient Egypt. Known as the all-seeing eye, it promises protection, health, and wisdom. For centuries, people have revered this symbol, and today it continues to intrigue many. The Eye of Horus is more than just a symbol. It is a powerful representation of the intersection between the divine and the mortal. It is often depicted as a human eye with distinctive markings, including a teardrop. The ancient Egyptians believed that the Eye of Horus could ward off evil. It was a talisman that protected both the living and the dead. As a result, it was commonly used in amulets, jewelry, and even tomb decorations. Today, the Eye of Horus remains a potent symbol, appearing in various media and spiritual practices. But to truly understand its power, we must delve into its origins and myth. The Eye of Horus originates from the rich tapestry of Egyptian mythology. According to legend, Horus was the sky god and the son of Osiris and Isis. His story is one of struggle, sacrifice, and ultimate triumph. The myth of the Eye of Horus is closely linked to the conflict between Horus and Set, the god of chaos. Osiris, the god of the afterlife, was murdered by his brother Set, who sought to usurp his throne. Horus, the rightful heir, waged a long and fierce battle against Set to avenge his father and reclaim his throne. During one of their fierce encounters, Set gouged out Horus's left eye. The goddess Hathor, with her divine powers, restored Horus's eye. This act of healing gave the Eye of Horus its association with restoration and protection. The eye was believed to have magical properties, capable of restoring order and harmony. This narrative symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and the power of healing. The Eye of Horus is rich in symbolism, each element carrying deep meanings. At its core, it represents protection, royal power, and good health. The eye is often divided into 6 parts, each representing one of the 6 senses in ancient Egyptian belief: sight, smell, thought, hearing, taste, and touch. The distinct markings around the eye, including the teardrop, symbolize the tears shed by Horus for his father, Osiris. The spiral beneath the eye represents the cobra, a symbol of royalty and divine authority in ancient Egypt. The right eye is associated with the sun, symbolizing light, warmth, and growth. The left eye, which was damaged and later restored, is associated with the moon, representing the cyclical nature of life and the balance between light and dark. In spiritual terms, the Eye of Horus signifies awakening and insight. It is a reminder to look within and seek the truth. The eye's all-seeing nature is a symbol of vigilance and the ability to see beyond the surface. The Eye of Horus is not only a symbol of protection, but also of healing. Ancient Egyptians believed that it had the power to restore health and bring harmony. This belief was rooted in the myth of Horus's eye being healed by Hathor, symbolizing the restoration of balance and order. Amulets depicting the Eye of Horus were worn by the living and placed on the dead to ensure safe passage to the afterlife. These amulets were believed to provide protection against evil spirits and ensure the deceased's rebirth. The eye's protective qualities were thought to guard against illness and injury. In addition to physical healing, the Eye of Horus also symbolizes emotional and spiritual healing. Many people today still wear jewelry featuring the Eye of Horus as a symbol of protection and healing. The eye's association with the moon and the sun also ties it to the natural rhythms of life, emphasizing the importance of harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. Section 5. Mathematical and symbolic significance. The Eye of Horus is not only a spiritual symbol, but also holds mathematical significance. The eye is divided into 6 parts, each representing a fractional value used in ancient Egyptian mathematics. Each part of the Eye of Horus corresponds to a specific fraction: 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, and 1/64. These fractions add up to 63/64, symbolizing that even in its restored state, the eye is not completely whole. This missing 1/64 represents the imperfection inherent in life and the universe. The use of these fractions reflects the ancient Egyptians' advanced understanding of mathematics and their ability to incorporate it into their spiritual beliefs. The Eye of Horus serves as a bridge between the tangible world of numbers and the intangible realm of spirituality. This mathematical aspect of the Eye of Horus also highlights the interconnectedness of all things. Section 6. The Eye of Horus in modern spirituality. In contemporary times, the Eye of Horus continues to be a powerful symbol in various spiritual practices. It is often used in meditation and energy healing to promote clarity, protection, and spiritual awakening. Many people view it as a guide to inner vision and higher consciousness. The eye's association with the third eye, or the sixth chakra, makes it a popular symbol in modern spiritual communities. The third eye is believed to be the center of intuition and insight. The Eye of Horus, with its all-seeing nature, represents the ability to see beyond the physical realm and gain deeper spiritual understanding. The Eye of Horus is also used in modern talismans and jewelry. It is believed to offer protection, attract positive energy, and ward off negativity. For many, wearing the Eye of Horus is a way to stay connected to ancient wisdom and draw strength from its powerful symbolism. Section 7. The Eye of Horus versus the Eye of Providence. The Eye of Horus and the Eye of Providence are both symbols of divine protection and insight, but they originate from different cultures and carry distinct meanings. The Eye of Providence, often depicted as an eye within a triangle, is associated with Christianity and Freemasonry. The Eye of Providence represents the all-seeing eye of God, watching over humanity. It symbolizes divine guidance, protection, and enlightenment. This symbol is famously featured on the United States $1 bill, reflecting its association with the founding principles of the nation. While the Eye of Horus is deeply rooted in ancient Egyptian mythology and spirituality, the Eye of Providence is linked to Christian iconography and the Enlightenment era. Both symbols represent the idea of an all-seeing presence, but they emphasize different aspects of divine power and wisdom. Despite these differences, both symbols share a common theme of protection and insight, reflecting humanity's enduring quest for understanding and connection with the divine. Section 8. Freemasonry and the Eye of Horus. Freemasonry, a fraternal organization with rich traditions and symbolism, has also incorporated the Eye of Horus into its iconography. The Eye of Horus is often associated with the concept of the great architect of the universe, representing the divine wisdom and oversight guiding the Freemasons' moral and spiritual endeavors. In Masonic symbolism, the Eye of Horus is a reminder of the importance of vigilance, integrity, and the pursuit of knowledge. It serves as a symbol of enlightenment and the constant quest for self-improvement and truth. The use of the Eye of Horus in Freemasonry reflects the organization's appreciation for ancient symbols and their timeless meanings. It also highlights the interconnectedness of different spiritual traditions and the universal quest for understanding and enlightenment. Freemasonry's adoption of the Eye of Horus underscores the symbol's enduring power and relevance. Section 9. Contemporary uses and popularity. In today's world, the Eye of Horus remains a popular symbol across various domains. It is widely used in jewelry, tattoos, and fashion, often as a statement of style and spirituality. Its distinctive design and profound meanings make it a favorite among those seeking to express their individuality and connection to ancient wisdom. The Eye of Horus is also prevalent in modern art and media. It appears in movies, books, and video games, often symbolizing mystery, power, and ancient knowledge. Beyond its aesthetic value, the Eye of Horus is also embraced in holistic and alternative healing practices. Many energy healers and spiritual practitioners use the symbol in their work to promote balance and protection. The enduring popularity of the Eye of Horus speaks to its timeless nature and the deep resonance it has with people across cultures and eras. Section 10. Conclusion: the enduring power of the Eye of Horus. The Eye of Horus is more than just an ancient Egyptian symbol. It is a timeless emblem of protection, healing, and wisdom. Its origins in mythology, profound symbolism, and mathematical significance all contribute to its enduring appeal. From ancient Egypt to modern spirituality, the Eye of Horus continues to inspire and guide. Its healing properties and protective qualities make it a powerful talisman for many. The mathematical precision embedded in its design reflects the interconnectedness of the physical and spiritual realms. The Eye of Horus bridges ancient wisdom with contemporary practices, showing its relevance across different cultures and times. As we continue to explore and embrace this powerful symbol, the Eye of Horus reminds us of the eternal quest for understanding, balance, and connection with the divine. It is a beacon of hope and a testament to the enduring power of ancient wisdom in our modern world.